Good night, teacher. My name is edwining123. My present activity, what will the future hold for us? University Manuela Beltrán. Population. The city of Bogota has 8,008,700 inhabitants. Urban area. The city has an urban area of 10,771 km². The college and university in Bogota, there are 2,242 educational institutions, 386 of the district, 10 of special region, and 1,846 of private character. 21 public universities, 41 private universities. The environment. The environment is affected by pollution to rivers, air pollution, no recycled. Urbanization in Bogota. This population is a development segment anticipating the future growth of this area and serves access for all the recreation as well as education in public servers. Thank you, teacher.